In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads remarketing with GA4 and GTM. We'll walk through linking your accounts, deploying the remarketing tag with Google Tag Manager, and preparing audiences so you can start retargeting visitors effectively. Begin in your Google Ads account. Open the Tools menu, the wrench icon in the top navigation, and go to Data Manager. Here, choose Google Analytics, GA4, and Firebase, and follow the prompts to link your GA4 property. Make sure you select the correct Google Analytics account and property and confirm the permissions. This link is what allows audiences you create in GA4 to flow into Google Ads for targeting. Next, switch to GA4 and go to Admin, then Data Collection and Modification, and Open Data Collection. This is where you confirm that features supporting remarketing are configured properly. Many advertisers enable Google signals here to unlock more robust remarketing and cross-device insights and ensure ads personalization is aligned with your privacy and consent approach. Head back to Google Ads, open Tools again, navigate to Shared Library, and then Audience Manager. From there, open the tag setup details for your Google Ads remarketing source and copy your conversion ID. You'll need this to configure the tag in Tag Manager. In Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and select Google Ads Remarketing as the tag type. Paste the conversion ID you just copied into the tag configuration. Unless you have specific dynamic parameters to send, you can leave the additional fields as default for now. Set the trigger to all pages so the remarketing tag fires everywhere visitors land on your site. If your site is a single page app, it's often helpful to ensure your page view triggers also fire on history changes so subsequent views are captured. For reliable attribution, add a Google Ads conversion linker tag in GTM and set it to trigger on initialization all pages. This helps preserve ad click identifiers and improves measurement accuracy across browsers. Now, establish the audiences you'll use for remarketing. In GA4, go to Admin and then Audiences to create custom segments. Define visitors based on events, parameters, page paths, or engagement criteria, and set a membership duration that matches your sales cycle. Once saved, these audiences will automatically be shared to Google Ads through the link you created earlier. When you're ready to target, return to Google Ads Audience Manager. You'll see your GA4 imported audiences available, and you can also create additional lists directly there if needed. Attach them to campaigns or ad groups, choose observation or targeting as appropriate, and allow time for list sizes to build before expecting delivery. That's your end-to-end setup for Google Ads remarketing with GA4 and GTM.